Today is August 11, 25. Last 5 days. Put the thing together. After sandblasting the whole car inside and out. Underneath, under dash. Pressure wash it to blow all the sand out of everywhere from the car. And then prime it. Gray pine 2-coat. Took me about 11 or 12 can, 20 ounce spray can to prime the whole thing inside out. The quarter panel gonna be worked on. Same on this side. I have to patch it, but I have a full panel. The tail panel is brand new. Gonna put on. Everything primed to protect it from rust. Harness wire is on. Front suspension is done. It's a brand new battery panel right here. Replacement. Underneath, sandblast and rubberized undercoating. I use 2-coat 12 spray can. It's a 66 3.3 inline 6 3-speed manual transmission. Transmission and the engine are at the shop for rebuilding.